Hey guys, JR Garcia here with Affordable One Home Services. We're out here in the area over in Katy, Cinco Ranch. The reason why we're out here right now, we're actually installing a brand new roof because of the hailstorm that hit out here on May 29th. The reason why I wanted to leave this video with you is really give you an idea of how to protect yourself from, the scammy type, contractor that comes into the area. I'm sure that you guys, especially in Katy, Cinco Ranch, are probably really tired of the surge and torrent of all these guys that come door to door. You don't know who they are, and you're probably wondering, what the heck are they doing on your property anyway, right? Well, the reason why I'm here is because I really want you guys, more than anything, is make the right choice when you select someone to do the roof for you or do an inspection for you. This roof is getting replaced right now because there was a hailstorm that got hit, and so we do know that there's storm damage in the area. Insurance companies, as we know, wouldn't just write a check for this brand new roof going on right now. So obviously there's storm damage in the area. If for some reason you guys haven't had someone check out your roof yet, it's probably a good idea that you do, but it's actually way more important that you select the right person to do so. So the things that you want to make sure that you look for is for someone that is actually has insurance, of course, that's bonded, and that has all the certifications that you would want in a contractor. For example, here in Texas, this is probably one of the most Wild West markets in the whole country. We have offices in Colorado. We know of our colleagues in Florida that go through an extreme vetting process for them to actually set up shop and do business in those states. Texas, we don't have that type of regulation here. So any, Johnny roofer can actually set up a company and become your roofer. The problem is that there's no one vetting them for you other than yourself. So the things that you need to look for is to make sure that with us, we're actually, I'm part of the member board of RCAT, which is the Roofing Contractors Association of Texas. The reason why that's important is because we are putting a new standard into the market itself for contractors to take care of the homeowners. We're tired of all these horror stories. We're tired of all the people, all the other guys that are out there giving us a bad name. And so as a community of band of brothers of roofers that are putting out good materials, good product, and good labor, are getting a bad rap because of all the chucks in a truck that are out here with just a magnet and a ladder calling themselves a roofer. So with that being said, make sure that you guys check their Better Business Bureau. Make sure you do a good Google search on them, whether they have, what rating they have on their Google reviews, Facebook reviews. You guys want to make sure that you have a lot of different vetting going on for the same contractor, okay? Because where one contractor could have a good rating somewhere, they could have a bad rating somewhere else. So the idea here is that you guys want to make sure that you're doing your due diligence in checking their references, checking their reviews, checking their Better Business Bureau, checking if they have any other type of licensing program like RCAT. For us, for example, because we're in Denver, we had to go through the IRC, which is the International Residential Code, and the ICC, which is the International Code Council, which made us able to set up shop in Denver. So they vetted us. It took like 6 months to actually go out there and actually put up a business there. Here in Texas, you don't have to do that, but we've done that. You want to make sure that they have more certifications than needed for the simple fact that, you want to make sure who they are. Once you verify who they are, you want to make sure that if they are a good company, they're going to offer you the best materials around. For us, CertainTeed is the best product that there is. Reason for it, hey, CertainTeed's been around for over 340 years. They've been around since the Palace of Versailles. This was the glass company that put in the mirrors there. It's crazy. They've been around for over 340 years, and we are backed by a company, since we're Select Shingle Master, that has been around, that's $1 billion company, and that basically stands behind us to put on their property. Okay, we're actually the number one roofing company in Houston for re-roofs on this material itself. We installed over 1,000 roofs last year and installed over 35,000 of these shingles right here. Okay, so this is the material itself. You can tell how sticky it is because of this really good seal tack that once it goes on your roof itself, it all automatically is going to seal tight. Okay, so it's got a great warranty against wind up to 110 miles an hour. The other great thing about this shingle itself is that it has a nailing strip that's 1.5 inches thick, where basically in most other shingles, when it's this narrow, whether they nail low or nail high, it basically voids the warranty on the shingle because of the simple fact that it's not installed properly. Makes it a lot easier to install this material. Not to mention, it's actually the heaviest. It actually weighs 250 pounds per square, where the leading competitor is actually right over 200 pounds per square. The thing about that itself is that you get more raw material. There's more asphalt in this shingle, which means the more asphalt on your roof, the longer it's going to last, the more warranty you get. The other thing is that we actually installed our roofs with a synthetic polyurethane tar paper, okay? And this comes in a row. Basically, it's about 4 foot wide. The thing about it is, traditionally speaking, most roofers are going to install this, regular 15-pound felt that crumbles, and basically it's absorbent. If shingles blow off your roof and this gets wet, this gets saturated and actually draws the water in. This, on the other hand, is going to shed water off like crazy, and then you have another extra barrier of protection on your roof itself. It's another upgrade that Affordable One comes standard with the way that we install roofs, because we always believe in doing the right thing. Now, with that being said, right now we're actually doing a bunch of free inspections right now. This is Affordable One Home Services. Our phone number is 832-639-4450. Our website is www.affordable-one.com. The one is numerical. And then you can always give us a call at 832-639-4450 to set up a free inspection as well. Now, and if you want, you guys can also comment free inspection down below. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out as well. But getting back to what we were talking about as far as the shingles themselves, is that with this particular shingle, this is the only shingle on the market that actually covers aesthetic defects. So about 85% of all the warranty calls that a manufacturer gets is over aesthetics. Basically, degranulation, any type of shading or telegraphing. That's what most other material companies, they get called for. In fact, that's all material companies. This is the only company that actually covers aesthetics. So if 85% of most claims that already are being placed for any type of defect is aesthetic, where basically just the performance is not in any way, shape, or form, like it's still good. So if it's still shedding water, they basically say, hey, if it's shedding water, it's a good warranty, even though it might look really bad. CertainTeed actually covers the aesthetics to make sure that your roof actually looks good, because one of the things that we like to do is install a good roof, but that looks good for a long time. That's one of the things, the main difference with Affordable One Home Services. Now, with that being said, right now we're actually doing for our homeowners, instead of just doing the regular five-year labor warranty for the next 5 callers, or for the next 5 callers that gives us a call at Affordable One Home Services, we're actually going to upgrade them to a 5-star warranty. Because we're backed by CertainTeed, we can actually do a 5-star warranty, which basically says that we turn that 5-year labor warranty that you have into a 25-year labor warranty, which is a huge deal when you consider the fact that most contractors only have a 2-year warranty based on whether the roof leaks or not. We're actually given a 25-year labor warranty that is backed by CertainTeed, a 340-year-old company, a billion-dollar company, and is backed up by us. Now, with that being said, that 25-year warranty, we're going to be giving that 5-star warranty away for the next 5 callers. That sets up for an inspection, and that's usually speaking for a roof this size is about a $1,400 to $1,500 value. That's a huge deal for the simple fact that you're going to have somebody that already is going to be the best on the market, that does the most roofs in the market, and it backing you up with a CertainTeed 5-star warranty. So that's basically all I have for you guys. This is JR Garcia. I'm logging out, and if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.